Okay, let's dive into a national challenge that's all about finding future leaders in biotech. This is a pretty unique competition designed to find the absolute sharpest young minds in the country. Think of it as a launchpad for innovators, all organized by the folks at the EduHeal Foundation.
The whole point? To spark interest, build real scientific thinking, and find those young geniuses.
So, you might be wondering who can actually jump into this thing. Let's find out. If you're a driven student in either class 11 or 12, then this one's for you. And hey, it doesn't matter what school board you're with, everyone's welcome to compete. You can get your whole school involved, or you can just sign up all by yourself. All right, to really succeed here, you've got to know your stuff. Let's see what's on the list. It's all built around 5 key areas, from the basics to the really advanced stuff. For class 11, it's all about those core fundamentals, the building blocks of biotech. Class 12 students, you'll tackle advanced topics like the super cool recombinant DNA technology. Okay, you've done the prep. So what does the final showdown actually look like? The exam is a real sprint. We're talking 40 questions in just 40 minutes. And here's the best part. There is 0 negative marking, so answer every single question. And for those who come out on top, well, the prizes are pretty awesome.
National champs walk away with amazing tech and some serious hardware, gold, silver, and bronze medals.
Plus, the top 100 get recognized, and literally every single participant gets a certificate. And the recognition doesn't stop there. Top performers in states and schools get medals too. So the path is laid out. The real question is, are you ready to